Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dividend Tracker apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Dividend Tracker app on your device. Tap on the app icon to open it. Once the app loads, you will see the login screen. If you are a new user, look for the option to sign up. If you already have an account, enter your username or email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no mistakes. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. Wait for the app to process your information. If the login is successful, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you encounter an error, check your internet connection. Ensure your username and password are correct. If problems persist, consult the help section of the app. Once logged in, explore the features available to you. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. You are now ready to track your dividends efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.